First kalima tayyiba la ilaha illallahu Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dua before we eat. Dua before eating. Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. Speak loudly everyone. Bismillahi wa ala. Say first kalima say.